Here's how to customize what information your AI receptionist collects from callers. Click on Agent, then Ask Questions. You'll see by default there's a few fields here that you can collect from callers, such as name, phone number, email, and company name. You can turn these on and off. For phone number, by default, your agent is going to collect the phone number from the caller's caller ID. Okay, now what if there's information that you want to collect that isn't listed here? Just click on Add Question and label the information that you want to collect. So for example, let's say we run a cookie business, we could add cookie flavor. And then under additional instructions, just tell your receptionist when to ask this. So for example, if the caller is placing an order for cookies, ask which cookie flavor they'd like. And now click on Add Question. There you go. Now, what if there's information that you only want to collect some of the time? So let's say delivery address. You only need to collect delivery address if somebody is placing an order for delivery. Again, just click on Add Question, label the info, so delivery address, and then under additional instructions, just tell your receptionist when to collect this. So if a caller is placing an order for delivery, then collect delivery address. And we'll click Add Question again. If you have a bunch of information that you want to collect, lots of questions that you want to ask, you probably don't want to add each one individually under Ask Questions. If you click on Knowledge on the left and Add Custom Knowledge, you can just give your receptionist a list of questions that you'd like it to ask. But the benefit of adding something under the dedicated Ask Questions section is that if you go to your calls and you click on a call, you'll see at the top of the summary, the information is called out in these neat little highlights. Plus, these become custom fields that are passed via Zapier, so you can map them to your CRM. Here's one more pro tip. If you go back to Ask Questions and you open up one of the questions that you added, under additional instructions, you can specify to your receptionist how to format the answers. So for example, for cookie flavor, we could say something like, in the call summary, only state one of the following options, chocolate chip or peanut butter. But if you collect numbers or dates as part of your questions, you could also specify to the receptionist in what format you need those. I hope this video was helpful, and if you have any other questions, don't hesitate to hit that chat bubble at the bottom right corner of your screen to get in touch with our support team. Thanks for watching.